Friday, everyone. These guys showing up right at 7 o'clock, and there's about 10 of them. It's going to be a really good day. They're getting ready to put the trusses up. It's going to be really interesting to see how they do it. They've got a big boom, like a scissor lift, so I'm sure they'll use that, but they're just getting ready to put the trusses where they need to go, and then they'll lift them up. So today's going to be a good day. Like I said, there's probably 10 guys here right now, and they're all working very hard. And I'm just sitting here by my fire, enjoying the view. It's kind of funny that they're running a generator over there for all their equipment when they could have just plugged into my shop. But that's okay. If they want a generator, they can run their generator. I don't mind. So I'll post some updates throughout the day, see how they're doing, but I would assume that all the trusses will get on today. Maybe the decking on top of the trusses. I'm not entirely sure how long this part will take. Obviously it's a little different working around a swimming pool. And remember, this is the only company that would do it. I called every building manufacturer around, pole barns, steel buildings, all of them. And this is the only company that would install over a pool. So I originally went with North Star Buildings out of necessity, but honestly, they've been amazing. I have been so happy with their process so far. Very, very happy with North Star. So I'm grateful that Alan took on the job and didn't turn me away like all the others did. So I will get more pictures and videos as the day goes on. We'll see how far they get today. It's a really steep roof. If you look at that truss there, it's really tall in the front and then it slopes backwards. So it'll be quite the roof to put on. So yeah, we'll go from there. There's Alan, shows up every day, going over everything with the guys. He's a very hands-on, involved owner. I can tell that he's super OCD and he wants things done right, and that's awesome. Nothing wrong with that. They're in the process now of getting ready to probably raise the trusses. But Alan just shown up, so he's going over everything with the guys. So that's it for now. It's been about 45 minutes, an hour since my last video. And I heard from Alan there that the pool company's on the way too. And he said it's going to be crazy today. The pool company is going to be in the pool running the piping, vents, jets, and all that. He's like, as we're putting a roof on trusses. So it's going to get even crazier here, probably within the hour. We're going to have a whole pool crew here, along with the North Star building crew. I keep kind of laughing because I see the net there on my tramp. And it almost looks like I'm Top Golf. Like I have these big poles with a net. But yeah, no Top Golf here. Look at that, Heath. Is that pretty cool?
How are they raising the
What do you think, babe?
That's amazing.
That's using your brains right there. Not even an issue putting it over a pool because they have like 6 winches lifting it. That's so tall. Heath! Heath! What do you think, babe?
That's pretty cool.
Wow.
That's technology right there.
Look how tall that building is, bud. Talk about a privacy block. That home behind us doesn't exist anymore.
The only reason why we have trees is because it's the block.
All right, well, we said that we wanted dual purpose, right?
Right.
We wanted an awesome indoor pool house, and we wanted privacy in our backyard. What do you think? Do you think we got it?
We got both.
I'm pretty sure it's safe to say that once the sides go on and the front, you won't even know there's homes behind us. It's so tall. It's third.
It's literally like 3 houses.
Yeah, it's literally blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4 almost homes. Partially 4. And we have no windows in the back or on the sides, so it's pure privacy. So excited. Then we got the trees coming up all around it, so you won't see anything on the sides. Putting up the garage header board right there, you can see. That's how big the garage doors are going to be. There's 3 of them. But I'm pretty excited. It's taller than I expected it to be. I mean, 31 foot? 31 feet?
30,
Something like that, yeah.
6.
Turned out awesome. And the pulley system was quite legit too, how they did that. Instead of you hiring a boom crane, they just used 6 winches.
Yeah.
That works too. So more info coming soon, but super excited. Did get a video for proof that my son actually got off the computer and goes outside and plays. There's the proof, I've got it. My son actually goes outside and gets off the computer. Can you believe it? First time all 4 of them has been on the tramp together. Wow. He took a break from Age of Empires for 15 minutes. Enjoying the show? I am too. Just got home from dinner. The guys are gone for the weekend. But here is what they got done today, which is a ton. You got the trusses up, top on, headers up, and they started putting up the girts, which is the wood between the posts, as you can see there. The funny thing is, when I had the shop designed, I told the guy to make sure we have plenty of room from the diving board without hitting our head on the ceiling. Yeah, that's taller than my shop right there. Definitely taller than that one. To the top is probably, I don't know, 25 feet. Those doors, these big garage doors here, are going to be so much bigger than I expected them to be. 3 big garage doors there that are probably 25 tall by 14 wide maybe. So yeah, they didn't get the eaves on for the patio, but that's fine. That'll be coming next. So there's all the wood for the patio. Making really, really good progress. Very happy with it. So today, they got more done today than they have any other day by far.